from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Nissan Micra here on a 2018-2019 plate. Just doing a wiper blade on this one. Now it is quite a simple procedure on this particular model. It is a newer shape, so this is basically what we're replacing across. These are the new ones right here. Customer supplied me with the new ones already. He's got me the Bosch ones. These are the part numbers, so that's for the passenger side and that's for the driver's side as well. So we're going to replace both of them. I'm only going to do one so you know how to do it, not the second one. So what you do first, you lift this clip up. Sorry, I'm working on my own. So once you lift the clip up, you then push the wipers down and then pull the wipers out. Make sure whatever you do not drop this on the windscreen. If you did drop this in the windscreen, the wiper arm, it'll crack the windscreen. So again, you know, it goes in, slots in an angle like this, goes into this little clip here and then slots up and then lock it in place. So with the new one, this is slightly different. So he's got this one here. So what you do, you lift this out. Sorry, 1 second. Here we go. Once you get that out, then it slides into this. So what you got to do, you got to slot it through the gap across there into the arm where the clip is. Then you slot it in, make sure it clicks, and then you close it. That's it, job done. So 1 second, we'll get this out, and that's it, job done. That's all you have to do. Make sure it kind of clips in there, in that area there, and then this clips on as well. So that's it, that's all you got to do. Same procedure on this side as well. So you put in the other one, take the clip out, push the clip up, lift the wipers out, and then in an angle, take the wipers out. Make sure the wiper arm don't drop. Put a towel onto the windscreen, so that should save the windscreen itself. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.